आप सभी लोगों का YouTube चैनल एमसीक्यू अड्डा पर स्वागत है, वेलकम है। और आज हम लोग हड़प्पा सिविलाइजेशन पार्ट 3 पर एमसीक्यू करेंगे, मल्टी चॉइस क्वेश्चन। और लोग तैयार ही है, नोट कीजिए और प्रैक्टिस कीजिए। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। पहला सवाल लेते हैं, which one of the following best explains why the term Harappan civilization is preferred over Indus Valley civilization? Harappan, first option, Harappan was the political. Harappa was the political capital of the civilization. Most sites were located only in the Indus Basin. Major sites were later discovered beyond the Indus region. Indus River dried up after the civilization declined. Which option is the best, correct? Option C is correct. Major sites were later discovered beyond the Indus region. Excavation in the Ghaggar Hakra belt and other regions showed that the civilization extended far beyond the Indus basin, making the older term geographically restrictive. Second question, दूसरा सवाल, the Harappan civilization belongs to which of the following periods of Indian history? First option, prehistoric period, proto-historic period, historic period, early medieval period. Correct answer is B, proto-historic period. The civilization is part of proto-history. It used writing, but the script remains undeciphered. Question number 3, तीसरा सवाल, which of the following correctly describe the chronological classification of the Harappan civilization? Early 3200 to 2600 BCE, mature 2600 to 1900 BCE, late 1900 to 1300 BCE. Option B, early 3500 to 3000 BCE, mature 3000 to 2000 BCE, late 2000 to 1500 BCE. Option C, Chalcolithic 3000 to 2000 BCE, Bronze 2000 to 1500 BCE. Option D, Neolithic, Chalcolithic, Iron Age. Which option is correct? Option A is correct. Divide the civilization into 3 phases with the specified approximate dates. चौथा सवाल, the early Harappan phase is also known as the interrogation era, urbanization era, localization era, or regionalization era. Right answer is D, regionalization era. The early Harappan phase is described as the regionalization era, representing a proto-urban formative stage. पांचवा सवाल, which of the following characteristics not associated with the early Harappan phase? पहला ऑप्शन, fortified settlements, दूसरा large well planned urban sites, तीसरा use of wheeled transport, D, specialized crafts like bead making. Right answer is B, large well planned urban cities. Large cities are a feature of the mature Harappan phase, not the early phase. छठा सवाल, which one of the following metals is specifically as absent in early Harappan settlements? Copper, terracotta, jade, stone. सही आंसर है, करेक्ट आंसर इज सी, jade. The jade has not been found in the early Harappan settlements. सातवां सवाल, which of the following statements about early Harappan sites is correct? Option A, they are mainly located in the active Indus plain. They include Padri, Kalibangan and Bhirana. C, they lack any evidence of trade networks. They show complete urban planning like Mohenjo-daro. The correct answer is B. They include Padri, Kalibangan and Bhirana. Sites such as Padri, Kalibangan, Dholavira, Bhirana, Kot Diji belong to the early Harappan phase and notably none lie in the active Indus plain. आठवां सवाल, the term Harappan culture is primarily used to denote only the early Harappan phase. Option B, only the late Harappan phase. C, mature Harappan urban phase. D, all Chalcolithic cultures of India. Right answer is C. The mature Harappan urban phase. The unqualified use of Harappan culture civilization mainly refers to the mature Harappan phase, the peak urban stage. नौवां सवाल, which one of the following is a defining feature common to Harappan sites of the mature phase? First option, iron stools, painted grey ware, pottery, standardized brick ratio of 1:2:4, megalithic burials. Right answer is C. Standardized brick ratio of 1:2:4. Standardized bricks in 1:4 ratio, red and black pottery and terracotta figurines are hallmarks traits of mature Harappan sites. Next question, 10वां सवाल, which of the following best characterizes the late Harappan phase? Option A, sudden and violent collapse of cities. B, complete abandonment of agriculture. C, gradual urban decline and ruralization. D, emergence of modern technology. Right answer is gradual urban decline and ruralization. The late Harappan phase shows gradual change, fragmentation, smaller rural settlements, reduced use of seals and weights, and diversified agriculture, not a sudden collapse. 11वां सवाल, with reference to the origin of Harappan civilization, consider the following statements. There is complete consensus on its indigenous origin. Some scholars attribute its origin to Mesopotamian influence. Indigenous village cultures are considered as reasonable source. Which of the statements given above are correct? Option A is correct. 2 and 3 only statements are correct. There is no consensus. 1 is incorrect. Both indigenous and definite view exist. 2 and 3 are correct. 12वां सवाल, the Harappan civilization differed from Egyptian and Mesopotamian civilization in that it covered the largest geographical area, developed earlier than both, was triangular in spatial extent. Right answer is A. 1 and 3 only. It covered the largest area and was triangular but not earlier than both. 13वां सवाल, which of the following present day regions were part of the Harappan civilization? Rajasthan, Gujarat, Haryana, Western Uttar Pradesh. Select the correct answer. Right answer is A. 1, 2, 3 all are correct. Western UP belongs mainly to the late Harappan, Ganga, Yamuna, not core Harappan. 14वां सवाल, with reference to Harappan town planning, consider the following. Citadel generally occupied a smaller area. Citadel was usually located in the eastern part. Lower town housed the common population. Correct statements are A. 1 and 3 are correct. Citadel was usually in the west, not east. 15वां सवाल, which of the following were features of Harappan streets? Grid pattern, right angle intersections, average width of main streets about 10 meters. Correct answer is D. 1, 2, 3 all are features of Harappan streets. All are explicitly mentioned features. 16वां सवाल, consider the following statements regarding Harappan bricks. Uniform ratio of 1:4 was followed. Brick dimensions varied widely across sites. Separate sizes were used for houses and city walls. Which are correct? First and third are correct. Brick sizes were highly uniform, not varied. The Harappan drainage system is remarkable because 17वां सवाल, the Harappan drainage system is remarkable because drains were covered, lime and gypsum mortar was used, drains were cleaned through inspection holes. Correct answer is C. 1, 2, 3 all are correct. All three indicate advanced civic planning. 18वां सवाल, with reference to Harappan houses, consider the following. Houses faced the streets through windows. Bathrooms were tiled. Some houses had private wells. Correct statements are A. Two, second and third are correct. No windows opened onto streets. 19वां सवाल, the Harappan society can be described as predominantly urban, dominated by middle classes, completely egalitarian. Correct answer is A. First and second statements are correct. Social differentiation existed, society was not egalitarian. 20वां सवाल, evidence from houses suggests the presence of ruling class, rich merchants, land owning peasantry. Correct answer is A. 1 and 2 our statements are correct. Poor laborers are not land owning peasants. 21वां सवाल, with reference to Harappan poetry, consider the following. Red ware with black designs was common. Stone art was highly developed. Potter's wheel was extensively used. Correct answer is A. First and third are correct. Harappans were poor in stone art. 22वां सवाल, which of the following statements about Harappan terracotta are correct? Animal figurines are common. Female figurines outnumber male figurines. Terracotta bangles are used. Correct answer are C. All are correct. 23वां सवाल, with reference to Harappan jewelry, consider the following. Use of semi-precious stones, gold and silver ornaments, exclusive use of local raw materials. Correct answer are A. First and second statements are correct. Many raw materials were imported. Which of the following metals were known to the Harappans? Copper, bronze, iron, gold. Correct answer is A. 1 and 2, first, second and third, first, second, fourth statements are correct. 25वां सवाल, the predominance of pure copper artifacts over bronze suggests technological backwardness, cultural preference, lack of allowing knowledge. Correct answer is A. Second statement is only correct. 26वां सवाल, Harappan dietary habits included non-vegetarian food, fish consumption, milk and curd. Correct answer is C. All are correct. 27वां सवाल, regional dietary variation in Harappan civilization shows that wheat and barley dominated Sindh and Punjab. Rice and millets were common in Rangpur and Kotota. Diet was uniform across regions. Correct answer is A. फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड स्टेटमेंट, पहला दूसरा स्टेटमेंट करेक्ट है, सही है. 28वां सवाल, विथ रेफरेंस टू हड़प्पन स्क्रिप्ट कंसीडर फॉलोइंग. इट वाज पिक्टोग्राफिक, इट वाज लोगोसिलेबिक, इट फॉलोड बॉस्ट्रोफेडोन स्टाइल. करेक्ट आंसर इज डी. ऑल आर करेक्ट. The disappearance of Harappan script around 1700 BC suggests breakdown of cultural integration, limited spread of literacy, collapse of all state settlements. Correct answer is A. First and second statements are correct. Which of the following, तीसवां सवाल, which of the following best reflects the nature of Harappan civilization? Cultural homogeneity, regional diversity, strong urban civic consciousness. Correct answer is D. First, second and third statements are correct. 31वां सवाल, with reference to Harappan trade, consider the following statements. Harappans had both internal and external trade networks. Trade was conducted using metallic currency. Barter system was prevalent. Which of the statements given above are correct? A option is correct. First and third are correct. No metallic money existed. Trade was by barter. 32वां सवाल, the term Mehlua in Mesopotamian text refers to the Indus region, a trading partner of Mesopotamia, a port city in Persian Gulf. Correct answer is A. Option A. First and second statements are correct. Mehlua refers to the Indus region, not a single port. 33वां सवाल, which of the following were intermediate trading stations between Mesopotamia and the Indus region? Dilmun, Makan, Meluha and Babylon. Select the correct answer. सही आंसर है बी, ऑल आर फर्स्ट, सेकंड एंड थर्ड आर करेक्ट. दिलमन, मेलुहा, दिलमन, मकान एंड मेलुहा आर एक्सप्लॉइटिव मेंशन एट ट्रेड स्टेशंस. चौतीसवां सवाल, विथ रेफरेंस टू हड़प्पन सील्स कंसीडर द फॉलोइंग. सील्स were usually made of steatite. They often bore religious emblems. They were primarily used as coins. Which are correct? Option A is correct. First and second statements are correct. Seals were not coins. 35वां सवाल, हड़प्पन seals possibly served which of the following purposes? Marking ownership of goods, acting as amulets, medium of exchange. Correct answer are option A is correct. First and second statements are correct. Ownership, marking and amuletic use are suggested, not currency. Which of the following types of seals have been found at Mohenjo-daro? Square Harappan seals, cylinder seals of Mesopotamian type, button seals. Correct answer A. First and second statements are correct. Button seals were found at Lothal, not Mohenjo-daro. The 37वां सवाल, the discovery of Harappan seals at Susa, Ur and Nippur indicates long distance trade relations, cultural interaction with Mesopotamia, political domination over Mesopotamia. Correct answer are A. First and second statements are correct. Trade and contact, not political control. With reference to Lothal, consider the following statements. A dockyard has been excavated. Button seals have been found. It was a bead making center. Which are correct? C. Option C is correct. First, second and third all statements are correct. 39वां सवाल, bead making factories existed at Chahundaro, Lothal, Harappa. Correct answer is A. First and second statements are correct. Chahundaro and Lothal were key bead manufacturing centers. Next question, 40वां सवाल, which of the following Harappan sites functioned as seaports? Rangpur, Somnath, Balakot, Kalibangan. Correct answer is A. First, second and third statements are correct. Kalibangan was inland. The Harappan system of weights was based on binary system in lower denominations, decimal multiples at higher values, random local standards. Correct answer is option A is correct. First and second statements are correct. Harappan weights were commonly cubical in shape, made of chert, made exclusively of bronze. Correct answer A. First and second statements are correct. 43वां सवाल, which of the following measures of length were used by Harappans? Foot, cubit, yojana. Correct answer is A. First and second statements are correct. 44वां सवाल, archaeological evidence of measuring instruments has been found at Mohenjo-daro, Saurashtra, Lothal. Option C is correct. First and second all are correct. पैंतालीसवां सवाल, which of the following materials were imported by the Harappans? Lapis lazuli, tin, jade and iron. सही आंसर है A. पहला दूसरा तीसरा स्टेटमेंट सही है. Iron was not used by Harappans. 46वां सवाल, gold was imported by the Harappans from Afghanistan, Iran, Kolar, South India. Correct answer is D. पहला दूसरा तीसरा तीनों स्टेटमेंट सही है. कॉपर यूज्ड बाय हड़प्पन वाज सोर्स्ड फ्रॉम खेती रीजन, बलूचिस्तान, डेक्कन प्लेटू. ए. पहला दूसरा स्टेटमेंट सही है. बिटुमिन यूज्ड बाय हड़प्पन वाज इंपोर्टेड फ्रॉम बलूचिस्तान, मेसोपोटामिया, साउथ इंडिया. ए. फर्स्ट पहला दूसरा स्टेटमेंट सही है. 49वां सवाल, व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इंडिकेट्स अ हाई डिग्री ऑफ स्टैंडर्डाइजेशन इन हड़प्पन इकोनॉमी? यूनिफॉर्म बेड्स, स्टैंडर्ड मेजर्स ऑफ लेंथ, कॉमन सील टाइप्स। करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट। तीनों स्टेटमेंट सही है। 50वां सवाल, द नेचर ऑफ हड़प्पन इकोनॉमी कैन बेस्ट बी डिस्क्राइब्ड एज अर्बन बेस्ड, ट्रेड ओरिएंटेड, हाईली स्टैंडर्डाइज्ड। करेक्ट आंसर इज डी, तीनों स्टेटमेंट सही है। तो आज के वीडियो यहीं तक। आप हमारे YouTube चैनल एमसीक्यू अड्डा को सब्सक्राइब करें, वीडियो को लाइक करें, ज़्यादा से शेयर करें, बेल बटन प्रेस करें ताकि हमारा वीडियो जब भी अपलोड हो तो आपको उसका नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुंच जाए। कैसा लगा वीडियो और क्या चाहते हैं हमारे कमेंट बॉक्स में लिखें। मैं पूरी कोशिश करूंगा आपको हाई क्वांटिटी कंटेंट देने के लिए एमसीक्यू अड्डा पे। तो मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय बाय।